Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine at home. So, students, and the last week we have did chapter number 26, 27, 28, and now we will start next unit with chapter number 29, that is classical dance and music. So, here we have given dance forms of various states. So let's match Kathakali. Kathakali dance form is from Kerala. Rof dance form is from Jammu and Kashmir. This is Rof. And this is Kathakali. Odissi. Odissi dance form is from Odisha. And this one is the pic of Odissi dance. Dress up like you have to see the dress up of various dance forms. Manipuri. Manipuri is the dance form of Manipur. And here is its peak. Bhangra. This we all know. No introduction need. Punjab. Garba. Gujarat. Garba is from Gujarat. That it is done in Navratri. Bharatanatyam. Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam belongs to Tamil Nadu. This one is Bharatanatyam. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi belongs to Tamil Nadu. This one is Kuchipudi. See, the dress up is also same. This is Bharatanatyam and this is Kuchipudi. Brita. Brita is from Rajasthan. See the pic of Brita, this one. Okay. And Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is from Kerala. See the dress up. This is Mohiniyattam and first one is Kathakali. Both are from Kerala. Okay. Now the movements and music of folk dances reflect the culture of the particular area. That from all these peaks we can estimate or we can judge the states. That is from Bhangra. All know that Bhangra is in Punjab. So that is dance forms represent the culture. Okay. So let's start with chapter number 30, ethnic paintings. Madhubani. Madhubani painting is from Bihar. Madhubani painting, this is Madhubani painting, students, in which mostly Radha Krishna paintings are there. Pichwais and Fadas. This is from Rajasthan. Bhimbetka. इसको क्या बोलना है? Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is from Madhya Pradesh. Patchitra. Patchitra is from Odisha and West Bengal. Batik. Batik from Odisha and Tamil Nadu. Varli. Varli paintings are from Maharashtra and Gujarat. Tanjore. Tanjore paintings are from Tamil Nadu. Kalamkari. Kalamkari paintings are from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, students, I hope it is clear to you. Now, name some musicians and singers. He was an Indian vocalist in the Hindustani classical tradition, awarded with Bharat Ratna and Padma Vibhushan. Who is awarded with Bharat Ratna and Padma Vibhushan? Both Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, classical singer. Indian film musician, composer, singer and record producer. Won many awards. That is, he is musician, also composer, singer and a record producer. It is A.R. Rahman. The melody queen, Lata Mangeshkar. She received the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for Vocal Music and was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan by Government of India. Begum Akhtar, a famous English rock band which is the Beatles. American singer and dancer, king of pop, Michael Jackson. He was born in Kaliki in Sialkot district of Punjab. His father named him after Bade Ghulam Ali, and his name is Ghulam Ali. He is from Punjab. A famous ghazal singer of Pakistan, Mehndi Hasan. A great ghazal singer and composer from India, Jagjit Singh. He created a novel from form of Jugalbandi style on the ancient system of a Murchana, Pandit Jasraj. One of the most popular American singers of 20th century, he is called the king of rock and roll. Who is the king of rock and roll? Elvis Presley. An eminent Indian musician and sitar player. He took Indian classical music to the Western world. He is Pandit Ravi Shankar. So students, with this we have finished our Unit 2 syllabus. Keep practicing, then we will start test revisions of this unit.